Hi mga kumartes! It's day 3 and we're going to Starbucks again because that's what Aaron wants. I gave him a choice, Pancake House or Starbucks. Sabi niya Starbucks. So, doon kami again, Starbucks. We'll see you there. Pion Amon. Quinn Amon.
Yun na lang tigwa 115 pesos. Ako naman, paggabi kasi ayoko nang kumain ng mga yung mahirap tunawin. Kasi pagka umaga, bloated yung pakiramdam ko pag ano. Ayoko nang gano'n. Parang hirap pumilos. Tapos parang busog ka na, ewan. Wala naman yung tiyan mo. Mahirap kasi tunawin yung pusit na yun.
I didn't get to eat the pusit.
Ang sarap nung sa ano-ano. Tumingin ka nung salad, ensalada.
A little bit.
Di ba? Ang sarap kaya.
Yung ano, yung green stuff.
Sarap. Kaya masarap talaga pag inihaw yung talong.
Kasi pag din si Claus and Yula.
Yula. Si Yula, gusto ko yung ano niya na Yula, yung vibe niya.
Bakit?
Mabait siya.
Mabait.
Yung magjowa, no? Pansin ko. Hindi sila tingnan mo, inano nila yung pagka-ano, inano nila yung lamesa.
Nandun siya nagluluto, nagkakat. He's the one slicing. Wala akong patience dyan. Mag-ano.
Saka yung pagka-ano, kinuha na nila. Di ba kami nga yung, ako yung kumuha ng plastic bag kasi lalagay ko na yung mga basura doon, yung nasa lamesa. Kinuha ni Claus, sabi siya na lang sa kasi yung lang siya. Mas nilinisan nila yung the best. Ang cute ng nitong magjowa. Kahit ganun-ganun sila, ang ganda ng nila.
Matulungin sila.
Matulungin. Saka magaan lang rin silang kasama.
I just want to give a shout out to Claus and Yula. Claus is also known as Ube King. Follow him on Instagram and Facebook. I just want to thank them for joining us our mukbang last night, and they were very helpful preparing the food and cleaning up. So thank you guys. So now we're on our way to Diwata Pares, and we're gonna check out the place to see how the place is, you know, just to experience what they're talking about. You know, it's like hyped up right now, and we just want to see how it is, and we'll let you know how it is. See you guys later. Ayan mga kumarites, nandito na kami sa Diwata Pares Overload. So, the line doesn't seem so long. Sabi nila ang haba-haba daw, pero today it's not that bad. So, we'll see how long it will take for us to get to the line and also test how the food is. You know, how they're overhyping the food. So, we'll see about that. See you guys later.
Meron ako dito, 800.
Okay. It's just like a piece, di ba?
Hi, Miss Grace.
Hi.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Ang ganda mo pala.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Okay. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Okay. Nasaan yung line? Wow, guys, 100 pesos lang. Akala ko 1,000 or something. Wow, I'm surprised. They'll be good, or, well, you get what you pay for, di ba? Saan ako pupunta? Dito na?
Bunga ka na.
Yung walang langaw.
And then, saan yung next?
Doon?
Okay, sa may, may lalagyan ng sabaw. Kanin, ma'am.
Kanin.
Sabaw.
Okay.
Ito yung kanin sabaw.
Okay. Salamat. Yan na? May spoon ba?
I think sa lamesa po.
Okay. It comes with soft drinks?
It comes with soft drinks, di ba?
You get your soft drinks, and then punta ka doon sa may mga
Yes. May stop ka, ma'am?
Oo.
Sige po.
Lagay ko dito?
Opo. Thank you.
Salamat. Dito na? Oh, nasan? Oh, nandun pala. Okay mga kumartes, ito na ang napaka-hype na Pares Overload. Tingnan natin kung talagang masarap. You mix it with rice. Ewan.
Lasa.
It's okay. Di ba ano ito? Parang lechon?
Bagnet.
Oh, bagnet. It's chewy. It's supposed to be chewy.
Siguro ate ano na, kanina pa niluto, pero dapat crunchy.
Oh. No, alam mo, when he put it on the table, parang fresh lang. Lalagay lang sa table whatever I picked up. Pero, Andy, is it supposed to be chewy? Is it supposed to be chewy?
No, it's supposed to be crunchy. Let's try.
Aaron, hold on, Aaron.
Lasa.
Ano?
Lapit ko ang tigan.
Okay lang.
Special. I don't know what's the hype, pero...
Okay, again. Again. It's chewy, you guys.
Pero for the price ate,
Okay, for the price, it's okay. It's good. 100 pesos lang, di ba? Pero, I don't know why it's so popular. Okay naman, like nothing really spectacular. It's just same taste that I taste sa mga ibang restaurants.
ano ba yung ano ate, kasama ng 100?
Oh, okay, so yung 100 pesos, it comes with rice. It comes with the, Pares, Bagnet Pares, and soda. So, okay na, di ba? To get the order, you have to stand in line, pay first. You get like a ticket.
Stop.
What is it?
Stop.
Stub? Oh, stub. You get a stub, and then you give it to someone. You get the rice, and then you get to the next stand. You get the Pares Bagnet, and then you get to the other stand, and you get the soda. And here it is. Okay, if you ask me, would I come back? No, but the price is okay. That's my honest opinion. If you're really, really hungry and you must eat, you can come here. But just beware of the langaw. On a scale of 1 to 10, the food is about 5, with all these 3 items. And then the price, I would say like 8 or 9 on a scale of 1 to 10. Kasi affordable naman. 100 pesos lang naman. So that's it mga kumaritas. Ayan ang Diwata Pares Overload. It's okay. It's not so spectacular. Mga kumartes, siguro nagutom si Aaron. So, kakainin niya daw. How is it?
That's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
With rice. Eat it with rice.
Sure.
Are you hungry?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. That's called pares, Aaron. Say pares.
Pares.
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Alam mo mga kumarites, kung hindi kayo sanay sa mga street foods, magdala kayo ng siguro anti-gas or anti-acid, whatever. Kasi I feel like parang bloated ako or something, yung parang sumakit ang tiyan ko. Basta iba ang feeling. So be careful kasi alam mo naman, it's out in the open, may mga langaw. Hindi natin alam gaano sila naghuhugas ng mga kamay, mga ganon. Tapos yung mga ibang taga-bansa, ibang bansa, ibang pumupunta sila dito, hindi sila sanay sa mga ganyan. Just be careful kasi alam mo naman, hindi tayo sanay sa mga ganyan. So, just be aware and,
Hindi naman sa pag-iingat.
mag-iingat kayo.
Hindi naman sa pag-iingat, but just be careful.
Yeah, so just bring something, be aware, yun lang. Yun lang masasabi ko kasi right now I feel bloated or I feel something. Hoy mga kumarites, alam mo, I think I'm gonna get a job soon dito sa Pinas, sa Jollibee. Hindi ko alam kung anong shift, either graveyard or day shift, hindi ko pa alam. And hindi ko pa alam kung anong position ko as a register or as a cook or whatever. So, I'm gonna apply. Hindi ko alam kung tatanggapin nila ako. Baka underqualified ako, wala akong experience sa culinary or service department. Meron akong experience sa service kasi I'm a nurse, di ba? So, meron akong good customer service experience. Tapos, meron akong kasama, co-worker ko siguro ito, si Andy. Hindi ko alam kung maging cook siya or what.
Ako sa kitchen. Alam niyo na pag nagkulang ang order.
Wala isang fries.
Yung chicken, maliit. May kagat. Yung
Yeah,
chicken may kagat.
so we'll see. Abangan nyo yan, ha? Yeah, I'm gonna have a job soon. So, siguro part-time ko ito when I come back here para...
Career. Change my I'm gonna change my career.
Para meron naman akong extra income there, you know, kasi ang gastos naman pumunta dito, 'di ba? 'Di ba kung ano ang galaw mo, how do you say that? Nagagastos ka, 'di ba? Oh, galaw here, galaw there.
At least meron kang extra income.
Yeah, extra income. Oh, ang dami ko ng trabaho, guys. My gosh. Ganyan ang mga strong and independent women, 'di ba? Kayang-kaya mo 'yan.
Kaya doon sa mga babae na nawawalan ng pag-asa, laban lang.
Yeah, laban lang. Kaya natin yan. We don't need men. They're just headaches anyways.
Perfect. Ganda yan. Sama natin yan.
Okay mga kumarites, nandito kami sa Max kasi natulog kami, na-oversleep kami. So nandito kami sa Max. What time is it? Like 8 something? 8:30, Andy? Oh, 9:30 na. Kala ko kanina 8 o'clock lang. Late dinner. We're supposed to go to a Korean barbecue pero nakatulog kami. So nandito na lang kami. So ngayon kasama namin si Erin.
I'm sorry, babe. My mom just borrowed my shirt.
Okay.
My favorite band.
Yeah, na-obsess siya dito kasi I borrowed his shirt. Ayan, sinasabi lang niya na hiniram ko yung shirt niya.
Yeah, she doesn't have anything.
Wala daw akong shirt. So that's why. So nandito kami. We're just eating. We're gonna just order parang light compared to Korean barbecue. Kasi alam mo naman, Korean barbecue, ang dami-dami mong kinakain, di ba?
And then it's for dinner.
Yeah, for dinner. So we'll have Korean barbecue tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow night.
It's okay. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's just borrowing my shirt.
Okay. Let's eat mga kumarites. Ang sarap. This is Max's. Forgot what the thing was. Pero masarap. I can't wait to eat it. Ang tagal ko nang hindi kumain ng ganito. Aaron, show them you're eating crispy pata. Say, hey guys, I'm eating crispy pata. Can you say it?
Hey guys, I eat a crispy pata.
From the Philippines.
Yeah, from the Philippines.
Okay mga kumarites, tapos na kami sa dinner sa Max. So ngayon pupunta kami sa store kasi we have to buy mga toiletries ni Erin kasi kailangan niya kasi there's some na naiwan niya. So yun, bibili kami ng mga gamit niya. And also we're gonna buy stuff for my next content. We're gonna do a Q&A. So we're gonna buy other stuff for the content. So we'll see you guys later. Okay mga kumarites, tapos na ang vlog namin talking about me. Kasarapan
Sa sarap ng kwento.
Kasarap ng kwento, nakalimutan namin kainin itong
Spicy.
spicy soup ito.
Supposed to be may twist ka mo yung yung
Dapat ito yung parang twist namin sa video pero naanuhan kami sa conversation, nakalimutan namin
And then struggle pa yung pagbili natin ito kasi from 7-Eleven noong una. Na-punch na ni ate. Wala pa lang card na, di pa na nag-accept ng payment through card. So lumipat ulit tayo ng Uncle John's naman. Na sobrang doble naman yung presyo. You guys imagine, 75 pesos to.
instead of
Instead of 40, mga 40 lang to eh.
Oh my God, yeah, we spent like
Twice, parang gano'n.
380 pesos on like 4 things ba yun?
The ate Aya told me naman na super, ano talaga dyan, expensive. It's twice or thrice talaga yung price. Tinimbrihan na niya ako dyan. Kung may bibiling ka dyan, wag dyan. Sabi yung gano'n.
Guys, alam niyo kung anong oras kami natapos? 12:42 a.m. Philippine time. So ngayon, kasi nasasayangan ako, alam mo, tumuyo na itong noodles, wala nang stew or whatever kasi just sitting there. Kainin ko na lang kasi sayang naman tapos masarap. Tapos mahal pa, di ba? Sayang naman, kainin ko na lang. So ayun mga kumarites, abangan nyo ang day 4. Bye mga kumarites!